Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use keyboard shortcuts, basic, in Spotify applications. So how to use keyboard shortcuts, basic, in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here you are on the main Spotify display. Spotify provides various features to enhance the user experience in managing and enjoying music. Tap Ctrl+N. The Create New Playlist feature allows users to create custom playlists to organize songs according to a particular mood or theme. Tap Ctrl+Shift+N. The Create New Folder feature is used to group multiple playlists to make them more organized. Tap Ctrl+K. With Open Quick Search, users can search for songs, artists, albums, or playlists faster without switching pages. Next, we enter the playlist first. Next, tap Ctrl+A. The Select All feature makes it easier to manage in bulk, such as selecting all songs in the list to add or delete at once. Next, tap Ctrl+F. Filters are useful for filtering content based on certain criteria, so users can find relevant items more efficiently. Next, tap Ctrl+Alt+F. Search in your library limits searches to content that has been saved in the user's personal library. Finally, tap Alt+Shift+F6. Logout allows users to log out of their accounts to maintain security and privacy on the devices used. All these features are designed to provide flexibility and convenience in accessing music on Spotify. So that's it. Tutorial how to use keyboard shortcuts, basic, in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.